Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you ladies and gentlemen today with a DIY pop-up special. I know it's been a while y'all, but I have been, if you have been paying attention and following those videos that I've been making, making the videos for the summertime swap, that has been consuming a lot of my time. So I just felt like I wanted to just pop out something really quick. So here are the items that you are going to need for this DIY. Now let me tell you something. This is optional. This is sea glass. So you don't really have to use this piece if you don't want to. It's completely up to you. But I wanted to do this because I wanted to give the earring, I wanted to give it something to make it just different, okay? Something different. So basically what you're going to need is you're going to need a set of these hoops, and you can find these hoops at any local beauty supply store. You can find them at Walmart. This is like a medium-sized hoop. So this look like it's about a 2x2 hoop earring, okay? So you're going to need a pair of hoop earrings. You're going to need some trim. Now this trim that I got is kind of distressed on both sides. This is in order for you to achieve the look that I'm going to show you how to make using this. You're going to have to it's going to have to be like distressed on both sides. Okay, that's the type of trim you're going to need. I just want to come up close so y'all can see it. And you're going to need a piece of 12 gauge aluminum wire, some round nose pliers, and some wire cutters. Now basically, and you're also going to need your handy dandy glue gun. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do here is I'm not going to do any measuring and all that stuff. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my trim, I'm going to glue a piece right here, and then I'm going to start wrapping it. So I'm going to take and put a little bit of glue up at the top right here on that. And y'all know whenever I do any wrapping or anything, I do not, and I have to use my glue gun, I do not, just like that, I do not put glue in between as I'm wrapping because it could be a mess. So I make sure that when I'm wrapping that I hold it as tight as I can. And if you're holding it and wrapping it at the same time, it should not come loose at all. So basically this is it. So now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to start wrapping this, okay? So I'm going to take it through here. And I'm just going to take it over top. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it far over till about right there where my finger was. So I'm going to bring it over just like this. And that's how I'm going to start wrapping it, okay? So you can see I'm going to come till about right here, and I'm going to bring it over just like that. And as I'm wrapping it, it's making its own little design. Okay, so it's going to make its own little design. Okay, now as you can see, I hope you all can see what's going on here. And bring that over. This is some really beautiful trim. Like when I say gorgeous, this trim is gorgeous, y'all. And so I'm gonna go all the way down till about halfway. And then when I get to about halfway, I'm going to stop the video and finish it off. I basically just wanted you to see what I was doing and how I was doing it. Okay, so now I want you to actually see what I have so far. And these are gorgeous. And like I said, you don't have to add this piece if you don't want to. It's completely up to you. But I just wanted to give it a different look. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and finish wrapping it, and I will be back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So this is pretty much what you're going to have. And these are gorgeous. Okay. So basically what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to snip right here. Oh, and I'm sorry, you're going to need some scissors. Y'all know I'll be forgetting stuff. I'm going to snip just like that. And I'm going to take my glue gun and put some glue right there. Just like this. Real quick. And then just roll it over just like that. Okay. And that's what you're going to have. So if you wanted to, you could pretty much wear your earring just like this. You don't have to do anything extra. But like I said, I want to add this piece on because I want to give it a different look. So I'm going to take my round nose pliers. My round nose pliers, and I'm going to make a loop at the end of my wire. And I'm going to roll, excuse me, y'all. I'm going to start making some spirals, okay? So I'm going to use my fingers, and y'all always know I say if you have some nylon pliers, you can use nylon pliers as well. So I'm going to take my finger and just start rolling this up, just like this, until I get it to the size that I want it to be. Okay. I'm going to place it just like that. And I'm just going to start wrapping it around just like this. It doesn't have to be, no real particular way. You just wrap it around because you want to hold it. You want it so that it'll stay in place. And I'm just going to come up to the top right here and just wrap it once or twice. I'm going to take my finger and measure this out just like this. I'm going to snip right here with my wire cutters. Actually, I'm going to go up just a tad bit more. And I'm going to make a loop just like this. Now, once I make my loop, okay, ladies and gentlemen, so pretty much this is what you're going to have once you wrap it and all that good stuff. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take and bend this like this. And I'm going to take it and place it over top, or place my loop underneath and press it down to hold it in place. And there you have it. Like I said, you don't have to put this on if you don't want to, but I wanted to give the earring something completely different, something that you won't see, of course, in a store. And the thing that I like about this is that once I did this part, I wanted to make sure that it wasn't heavy, and it's not heavy at all on the ear, okay? This is actually a little light. It's not heavy at all. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you all enjoyed this pop-up DIY special. If you have, please like and share this video. Also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell or button that's on the side, so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. Go and try this, y'all. You are really going to like this. I think that these turned out really, really cute. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful and awesome day. Peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.